Do all fingers. Let me see. Go. Still fighting stance. Still fighting stance.
No. It's supposed to be passive stance.
Oh, passive stance. Like do it like this. Like
no. Stand like you're standing a regular.
Okay. Pretend someone's coming up to you and go. There you go. Alright, someone's head is coming to you and go. Alright, and go. Very good. And go. Alright, my turn.
You don't need to be in your fighting stance when you're hit.
Alright, come close to me and
put it up, you know.